We are gathered here today out of love for Palestine and her people.
We have marched, we have rallied, we have protested, but tonight we come together to learn about the history and facts about Palestine, to equip us with the tools to be ambassadors for the Palestinians, to be the voice for the voiceless.
Strategic, continuous or sustainable within the legal framework.
Alright, next on our agenda is we're going to do collective khatam of the Quran with the intention of peace, protection and victory for Palestine.
O Allah, liberate Palestine and Al-Aqsa Mosque from the plans of the aggressors. O Allah, O Allah, and aid to our brothers in Palestine. O Allah, help them, grant them strength and patience, steadfastness, and accept their faith and patience. Walhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, bisir al-Fatiha.